Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen. First of all, you need to open Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPad. Then click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Once ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on one of those options in this pop-up on iPad. I will go with Ask App Not to Track. Then select Allow access to all photos in this one. And tap on the best option for you in all the other ones. I will go with Don't Allow. Over here, no thanks. And close this window. Then, OK. Now on an Android, you need to open your app as well. But in order to use it, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then click on Not Now over here if you want to, or just leave it empty and tap on OK in the pop-up. Now you need to choose Receive over here on your iPad and Send at the bottom left corner of your Android. Finally, tap on all of those type of dots and click on Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo, for example this one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see, after that we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, next to User's Guide. Clicking OK in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at this code. But we can also choose Cancel at the top left corner and input this key over here instead. Then select Receive and after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!